It's no secret that medicine and healthcare has advanced greatly throughout the years. Even over-the-counter medicine today is considered as good or even better than what was considered the best treatment over a decade ago. So one may wonder, how did we advance so much? Well, technology did advance, sure, which helped a lot. However, animal testing helped medicine and healthcare advance greatly over the years. However, many animal rights activists believe that animal testing is inhumane and should be made illegal. Today, I'm going to talk about why animals are used in medical testing, false rumors surrounding medical tests on animals, and explain what would happen if we didn't use animals in medical testing. So why are animals used in medical tests? The use of animals in tests and experiments in the medical field is not new. In a journal written by Rachel Hajar in 2011 titled Animal Testing in Medicine, it lists some brilliant minds that have used animal testing in the past. Famous Greek physician Galen used animal testing to advance the common understanding of anatomy, physiology, pathology, and pharmacology. 12th century Arab physician Ibn Zur used animal testing to better understand surgical procedures before performing them on people. Although these great scientists of the past used animal testing to find out knowledge that we would consider pretty common today, there's still a reason to use animal testing today. A page on the Stanford Medicine website published in 2020 titled Why Animal Research gives a lot of great reasons of why we still use animals in medical testing research today. Mice are commonly used in biomedical research because they share 98% DNA with humans. And animals are also great for testing medicine because they can develop health problems such as cardiovascular disease and cancer. Despite these reasons, there are still people who aren't convinced and believe that animal testing and experiment should be made illegal. However, many of the reasons that they believe this are false. For example, many animal rights activists believe that animals are put through torturous experiments and are kept in horrible living conditions. However, this is untrue. In a 2014 BBC News video titled BBC is given access to Oxford Lab experiments on monkeys, it is stated that some tests on animals, such as the monkeys at the Oxford Labs, are not even harmful experiments, but are instead decision-making experiments that helped scientists better understand things like depression and autism. In a 2019 article written by Doris Lynn on the ThoughtCo website titled Animal Rights and the Ethics of Testing, brings to attention the Animal Welfare Act. The Animal Welfare Act was an act signed by President Lyndon B. Johnson in 1966 that sets standards of care for animals that are used for testing. If the standard of care does not meet these requirements, it is considered illegal to test on those animals. Animal rights activists also believe that there's no effort put in to find other methods of testing, and that animals are tested on because it's easy and cheap. However, this is also false. In a book written by Stephanie Watson published in 2009 titled Animal Testing, Issues and Ethics, it is stated that scientists actively try not to use animals in their experiments and are constantly looking for ways to find ways to not use animals in research. So there are efforts to find alternative ways to test medicine that do not involve animals that are just as effective. However, not testing on animals without finding that first results in catastrophe. In a journal written by Rachel Hajar in 2011 titled Animal Testing in Medicine, also lists some other events that have happened as a result of a lack of animal testing. In 1937, a medicine known as elixir sulfonamide was created. This medicine was extremely poisonous to humans, but since it wasn't tested on animals, this medicine was shipped and marketed. It led to a huge mass poisoning, which killed hundreds of people. This then resulted in the passing of the 1938 Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act, which required drugs to be tested on animals first. In the early 1960s, phthalimide was created. This was a pain-killing drug that could help insomnia, coughs, and headaches. Many pregnant women took it because it helped them relieve morning sickness. However, this medicine was also not tested on animals. The results? Over 10,000 children were malformed and missing limbs when they were born. Let's bring it all together. The purpose in the world of medicine and health is to keep people healthy and alive. Animals help make that goal possible. Without medical testing and experiments on animals, modern medicines that we use today may not be around, which means me and you may not even be here today. Animals are necessary to help save lives.